Azerbaijan Airlines is dedicated to promoting an inclusive work environment by offering long-term employment opportunities to individuals with disabilities, including those on the autism spectrum. In 2024, this commitment was further reinforced through a memorandum of understanding signed with a local public association focused on expanding employment prospects for individuals with autism.
I appreciate the structured environment. I feel confident in my work, and I know that what I do makes a meaningful contribution to the team.
We adopted our approach and changed how we support every employee.
This isn't just inclusion, it's transformation. Across the company, we've seen stronger collaboration, improved quality, and a deeper sense of community.
Working with my colleague has taught me a new level of patience and understanding. It has been very inspiring and eye-opening.
Burada özümü rahat və güvəndə hiss edirəm. İşimin müəyyən bir qaydası və ardıcılığı var. Və bilirəm ki, mən önəmli prosesin bir hissəsiyəm.
We are more than an airline. We are a workplace where everyone can contribute, where diversity is not an initiative, it's a value, and inclusion is how we grow.